Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the host application version and the exact Sapphire plugin build. Mismatches cause crashes. Once done, back up your project and clear cache and temp folders to remove corrupted frames. Next, switch the renderer to software or safe GPU mode. This isolates GPU driver faults. Make sure to note error messages and timestamp when the crash occurs. That information reveals whether it's a codec, GPU, or plugin binary problem and directs the next steps. Once logging is active, run a short test render and capture the host log and plugin debug output. These tell you where execution fails. Then reproduce the problem by disabling complex Sapphire modules, re-enabling effects individually. This isolates the faulty node. Make sure to test a clean project with only essential media. If it renders, the issue is project-specific. If it still crashes, switch GPU drivers or force CPU render to determine if the fault is hardware. You now perform the remediation. Reinstall the Sapphire plugin that exactly matches your host version and apply any hotfixes. Once done, reset host preferences, remove custom Sapphire presets, and clear GPU shader caches to eliminate stale binary conflicts. Make sure to rerun the short test render. If it succeeds, incrementally restore project elements. If it still fails, gather logs, render samples, and system specs. Then contact support. One key tip: include the exact error text and a reproducible short project to speed diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.